Hey guys, this is Business Plus again with another wonderful signal. So please guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel or you have not followed me on this channel, I would just want you to do that ASAP, right? So guys, what I brought today is the result of what we've done today. So we traded boom 500 index and also crash 300 index with our customized indicator. And guys, as you can see on the screen, we are on boom 500 index screen, which we took the signal on 1 minute time frame. As you can see, the result we have 120, because trading multiple positions is one of the best thing you could ever do. There is no regret about that. And also you can see that on this screen we have multiple entries. This is the first entry, which was taken around this point when the arrow showed up. All right, so we have another here, all right, for a buy. And the reason why we were ignoring this sell signal is because it's not gonna go in much profit. Okay, it's not gonna go in much profit. It's coming down from here, as you can see. So I think it's the best time for me to take this profit here now. See, it's going. This is 3 different entries that we've made on these on this screen. So let me quickly just rush through and let's go back to crash free on the. Before I do that, please, if you have not subscribed or you have not followed, I would just want you to do that now, please. Just so that we'll be able to go in live, especially on TikTok. So as I'm entering the signals, you guys will be following me, then you'll be taking your profits too. And this is derive.com that you can just go there, pay in. I don't need to send you any referral link. You can just go there and do your thing yourself. All right, and if you want me to send the referral links to you, my referral links to you, I will do exactly just that. So guys, as you can see on boom 500 index, you have made a lot of profit. And let's go to H4 time frame. You can see it has been trending up for a very long time now. So I think then you have this powerful indicator, you were able to take the signal from this point after this massive retest. You can see it's going up for a very long time now. Now let's check what's happening on D1. You can see it's going up. Even this that is coming down, it has come down for more than 24 hours. All right, you can see we have multiple candlesticks here. All right, so but this signal was actually picked from 15 minutes time frame, because I had to draw a line from here just test or to check out for the support level. All right, then I took the first entry at this point. As you can see, then we have several spikes up after this retest too. All right, you can see, let me close this please. So we have crash 300 index that is still running. So it has been coming down from 120 something dollars, or so I can just close now. This is part of the what is it called? Alright, let me just close that. Let me just close this too. Alright, sorry guys, I can't afford to let it go in more loss. Alright, you can see those are my trading history. So you can see we picked one here, we picked another, then you can see, so there is tendency that this is still going to go up. All right, but for me, I'm out of this. I'm totally out of this. Now let's go to crash 300 index, and on crash 300 index, you see we are still having a pull down here because it's an uptrend too. This uptrend is very, very fresh. All right, this uptrend is very, very fresh. So what I'm just gonna do with this is I'll just let it do extend. All right, and I'll post where I send the signal in the VIP. I'll post it so that you can see. And guys, please, if you want this customized indicator, it's very, very affordable. All right, you can see how powerful and what it's doing. Now let me check out for this spike. All right, you know we are on 30 minutes time frame now. Now let's check it out. Provided we want to check out from for something. You can see the spike here. You can see the vertical line that I just drew here. Now let's go to provided just want to pick the signal on lower time frame of probably M1 after the sell signal has appeared. Let me deactivate this so that we can, let me just, all right, you can see here, you can see after we have an arrow here on M5 time frame, then you start going down. Look at the arrow appear on, let me use the crosshair, the arrow appear here. All right, the arrow appear here, you see on these actual candlesticks, you can see then it went down to this point. All right, so this is where it appears on another time frame. This is where I put the candle on 30 minutes time frame. So it appears on 30 minutes time frame at this point. All right, so and once the candle the arrow appears, you know, one spike cannot give us all this. We are on 15 minutes time frame here, you see, then we still have extra spikes on 15 minutes time frame. So that's just on a quick note. So this signal for crash 300 was picked on 1 hour time frame. You can see the arrow is still fresh, it's still new, all right, on this chart. So it's gonna be a massive buy. All right, it's gonna be a massive buy. So just have little knowledge of on price action, then combine what you know with price action on with this customized indicator. So the price action knowledge is just for you to just cross check. All right, just to cross check what's happening. It's not as if the customized indicator is not good on its own. It's good, just follow the arrow. You can see this is a sell. All right, you can trade on both sides. Everything is powerful, everything is awesome. So if you are the first person to see this video and you want me to give you this at a giveaway price, is for sale, is it's executive customized indicator, is not free, please. It's not free. This customized indicator is not free. If you want me to sell it for you because you can see what it's doing, just send me a direct message. All right, I'm gonna give you the price because the license that we're using for this customized indicator is bought. All right, it's not free. All right, it's bought. All right, I am the one in charge, but the license is bought. All right, I can't do everything on my own. All right, so guys, this is what the customized indicator has been doing, and we are still gonna check for more signals on other time frame. And remember, you cannot use this customized indicator on ranging market like what we're looking at on the screen on boom 1000 index. We're not gonna use that, so it's just gonna be giving you stipends. You can see sell, after a while it goes down a bit, then start. So we don't need to use it on ranging market. But as you can see what's happening on boom 300. Now let me see, boom 300 is a good sell. Now boom 300 is a good sell on 15 minutes time frame. Now let me check it on 30 minutes time frame. Yeah, I'm sending signal out on boom 300. Now let me go with 3.5 lot size, 3.5 lot. Yeah, I'm selling. All right, I'm selling 2, 3, 4. It's cool, it's cool. So I'm gonna put my stop loss at this level. It's very good. Then my take profit will also be at this point here, just like 1:2 ratio. Now let's leave it like this. Let's leave it like this. So I'm gonna enter this also on another account on my mobile phone for the sake of screenshot. So let me just do that. Let me just do that. The video is getting to 10 minutes now, so let me just do that. Boom 500. I'm gonna close on boom. Now let me go for boom 300. Boom 300 is selling, so I'm selling for boom 300 now. With on this other account, I'll be using 2.20 lot size. So in 5 places, I think it's cool. Yeah, we have a little spike against us, but that doesn't mean it won't sell. It's just small spike. So we're looking for the long-term sell. You can see it's even forming a double top pattern, and at the same time it's sliding down. All right, So it's sliding down. As long as you are following the arrow signal, I think we are cool. We are cool with this, guys. So you can see for the crash 300 is a new signal on crash 300. So I will attach the result or the screenshot for crash 300 and also for boom 300 with this video. All right, I will attach the screenshot to this video. So guys, please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I would just want you to do that, please. And also, if you have not followed me on any social media you're saying this, I would just want you to follow me. And when I have 1,000 subscribers on TikTok, I'll be doing this live without charging you for anything. All right, without charging you for anything. So this is definitely gonna go back in profit. The space for the SL is not that much, but I think what I'm saying here is because of the lot size is big. So let's see what's gonna happen in few more minutes. If it doesn't recover, I'll have to change the SL to a point like this, just to minimize some nonsense, some noise in the market. But let me just leave it at this level too. So I think we're good with what we've done so far. Trading is a game of patience. So guys, I have nothing to worry about if this is going in loss for now. All right, so it's very possible we see losses, we see profit, but on the percentage, everything is still on a winning side. But for 300, you can see this is a sell signal. So I'm following down since it has broken through down this support and has broken down this support, but at least it's gonna give me something that will get to this point, all right, at least before any other thing could happen. So guys, please, I would want you to subscribe to the channel, and I also want you to like, share, comment. Yeah, if you can help me, all right, I'm gonna help you back. God bless you.